As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil Pro Series 2-burner. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Weber is much smaller. It's designed for portability, only 189 square inches of cooking space. The Char-Broil, on the other hand, boasts 436 square inches and includes a griddle, so you've got a lot more room to work with.
Yeah, I noticed that. The Weber is only 27.5 pounds, perfect for tailgating, while the Char-Broil is a hefty 151.7 pounds. So definitely not moving that one around easily.
Exactly. Think about what you need. The Weber only has one burner, pushing out 8,500 BTU. The Char-Broil has two burners, though its BTU rating is higher at 20,000. But remember, BTU isn't everything. It's about how efficiently the grill uses that energy.
Good point. The Weber uses disposable propane cylinders, which is convenient for on-the-go grilling, but you'd need an adapter for a larger tank if I wanted to use it at home.
The Char-Broil is designed for a standard propane tank, and it even converts to a charcoal grill with a separate tray, which is kind of cool. And it has an enclosed cabinet.
I saw that. The Weber is pretty basic, cast aluminum build. Porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which is nice. Push-button ignition. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates too. And, amplifier infrared technology. Does that actually make a difference?
They claim it helps prevent flare-ups and cooks juicier food. It's a marketing term. But infrared grilling can provide more even heat. Also, the Char-Broil has a 10-year burner warranty, which is pretty solid. The Weber only has a 5-year limited warranty.
Price-wise, the Weber is around $229. The Char-Broil is $449. Big difference.
Yeah, you're paying for the larger size, the griddle functionality, and the cabinet. If you just need a portable grill for occasional use, the Weber is a great option. But if you want a versatile, full-size grill for home use, the Char-Broil seems to offer more, and it's also a griddle.
Okay, that makes sense. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.